with Accura Outdoors, and today we're going to go on the powder side of the Dillion 550C. So previously we've set up the decapper and the primer, and we set up the rest of the stations, and we set up to make sure that the priming station fully articulates. So in order to set this up, what you're going to need is either a primer or a case with a primer inside of it, or a spent casing. I'm using a spent casing to get this set up. Also, we're going to need a scale so that we can measure our charge when it comes out. So we want to make sure that the amount that this is dispensing is the amount that we need. So we're going to use CFE 223, and we're looking for a charge about 26 grains. So we're going to use this scale. This is a Frankfurt Arsenal scale. And then on my setup, so I've got the CFE 223, and then instead of using the Dillion bench wrench, which is right here, which you can use this to adjust the powder, we're using a Range Panda powder adjust knob. What's nice about it is it has tells you what way to turn it, and then you don't have to use a tool. You can just manually adjust it. So right now we should be kind of close, so I'm gonna have you bring you guys inside, and I'm gonna kind of show you what's going on with this setup. Alright, so we're gonna go to the powder station. I'm gonna remove the pin, and we're going to stick in our spent casing, but also make sure it has cap on it, so that make sure that no powder comes out. We'll get our scale ready. Alright, so now we're going to go make sure it has a full stroke, come down, and we're going to check it. Alright, so it's showing 26.5. So we're going to back it off a little bit. We'll pour this back into the top. Alright, so in order to back it off, we're going to turn it to the left. So we're going to go a little bit. We'll check this again. Alright, 25.9. We'll go scooch back. Alright, let's stick that back in and verify that real quick. Alright, 26.0. Alright, what I like to do is go through a couple of them and just make sure that it's repeatable. Alright, I'll do one more. Alright, so we verified it 3 times, so it should be throwing accurately. And as you can see with the Dillion 550C, this powder system is going to be on all Dillion setups. There's not going to be much different other than changing your bar to go to pistol. And when we go through and set up this for a 9, we'll be showing you how to convert this from the large powder throw to a small powder throw. But as you can see, with a little bit of adjustments, it's pretty easy to set up. And also it makes it really easy. So until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you on the range.